Most hacking tool videos send you to random GitHub repos. This one is different. Every tool in this video has an official website, a real development team behind it, a professional presence you can find by searching Google right now. 9 legitimate Android ethical hacking tools, where to find them, what they do, and why professionals use them. Disclaimer: authorized use only. Every tool here is for ethical hacking, security research, and testing on devices and networks you own or have explicit written permission to test. Tool number 1. frida.re. Search Frida Dynamic Instrumentation on Google, and the first result is frida.re, the official home of one of the most powerful Android security research tools available. Frida is a dynamic instrumentation toolkit. It lets you inject scripts into running Android applications to hook into functions, monitor API calls in real time, modify return values, bypass certificate pinning, and observe what the app is doing internally while it's alive and running. Security researchers use it to reverse engineer applications that weren't meant to be understood. Bug bounty hunters use it to bypass SSL pinning and get their proxy tools seeing traffic that app developers tried to protect. The Frida framework is the foundation underneath Objection, RMS, and dozens of other security tools, which tells you something about its position in the Android security ecosystem. The official website has full documentation, Python and Node.js API references, and pre-built binaries for Android. Everything you need is at frida.re. No digging through forks required. Tool number 2. Fing. Search Fing Network Scanner on Google and you land on Fing.com. And unlike most security tools, this one has a proper commercial product page and is available directly on the Google Play Store. Fing is a professional-grade network analysis app for Android. It maps every device on a network, identifies manufacturers and device types, detects open ports, checks for known vulnerabilities on discovered devices, and monitors network performance continuously. The interface is genuinely excellent, clean, visual, and immediately readable. For authorized network security assessments, Fing handles the initial reconnaissance layer on a Wi-Fi network in seconds. Every device shows up with MAC address, manufacturer, hostname, and IP, plus any open services Fing detects. The vulnerability scanning layer flags known CVEs against the detected software and services. Download directly from the Google Play Store or Fing.com. Free tier covers all the core discovery features. Tool number 3. zANTI. Zimperium.com. Zimperium is a serious mobile security company. They're in the enterprise MDM and threat detection space, work with major corporations, and have security researchers you've seen presenting at DEF CON and Black Hat. Their Android pen test toolkit is zANTI. Search zANTI Zimperium on Google and you land on their official page at zimperium.com. Enter your email and the download link comes to you directly. No App Store intermediary, no third-party mirror. zANTI maps the authorized target network, enumerates connected devices and their attributes, tests for router vulnerabilities, performs password complexity audits, and includes MITM capabilities for authorized traffic interception. The Z-Packet editor lets you inspect and modify HTTP requests and responses during authorized assessments. On-device vulnerability detection flags weaknesses in the Android device itself. For security professionals doing authorized mobile network assessments without a laptop, zANTI delivers serious capability from a professionally maintained official source. Tool number 4. Burp Suite. Portswigger.net. Search Burp Suite on Google and you land on portswigger.net, Portswigger's official platform, one of the most recognized names in web application security globally. For Android ethical hacking, Burp Suite is the standard for intercepting and analyzing mobile app traffic. Configure your Android device to proxy through Burp, install the Portswigger CA certificate as a system-level trusted authority, and every HTTP and HTTPS request your target app generates becomes visible and modifiable in the dashboard. The Repeater tool lets you modify and resend captured requests. The Intruder handles automated parameter fuzzing. The Decoder handles encoding and decoding of intercepted data. The entire workflow of finding authentication flaws, API vulnerabilities, and insecure data transmission in Android apps runs through Burp. Community Edition is completely free and handles the full interception workflow. Professional license required for advanced scanning features. Tool number 5. Metasploit. Metasploit.com. Search Metasploit on Google and Rapid7's official website comes up immediately at Metasploit.com, home of the most widely used penetration testing framework in the world, now in active development for over 2 decades. For Android ethical hacking, Metasploit's relevance comes from 2 directions. First, MSF Venom generates Android APK payloads for authorized testing, letting security teams verify whether their MDM solutions, device antivirus, and network monitoring actually detect malicious app installations. Second, the Metasploit console runs fully inside Termux and Kali NetHunter, bringing the complete exploitation framework to your Android device. The Meterpreter Android payload gives post-exploitation access for authorized assessments, demonstrating what an attacker with app installation access could actually reach on a compromised device. Metasploit framework is completely free and open source. Metasploit Pro is the commercial version. Tool number 6. Wireshark. Wireshark.org. Search Wireshark on Google, and Wireshark.org is the first result. Official home of the world's most widely used network protocol analyzer, trusted by security professionals, network engineers, and researchers for over 25 years. For Android ethical hacking, Wireshark captures every packet flowing across a network interface during authorized assessments. Every IP address, every protocol, every piece of unencrypted data. When a target Android app sends traffic that bypasses your proxy setup, perhaps using certificate pinning or a non-standard port, Wireshark captures it at the raw packet level, regardless. On an Android device itself, Wireshark functionality is available through T-Shark running inside Termux on rooted devices, or through PCAP Droid's packet capture feeding into Wireshark on a connected desktop. The combination gives you full packet-level visibility into mobile traffic that other tools miss. Tool number 7. Bettercap. Search Bettercap on Google, and Bettercap.org is the official project website. A modern network attack framework for authorized network security assessments, actively maintained and significantly more capable than older alternatives. For Android ethical hacking on authorized networks, Bettercap runs on Android via Termux and provides ARP poisoning, DNS spoofing, SSL stripping, Wi-Fi deauthentication, and real-time traffic interception through a unified web-based dashboard. You configure everything through a browser interface, rather than managing multiple terminal sessions simultaneously. The practical use case is testing whether Android apps' security protections hold up against an adversarial network environment. Apps that implement certificate pinning should resist traffic interception. Apps that don't fall open on a Bettercap-controlled network immediately. That finding, documented on an authorized engagement, demonstrates the real-world risk of connecting to untrusted networks. Tool number 8. SQLMap. Search SQLMap on Google, and SQLMap.org is the official website, home of the most powerful open-source SQL injection testing tool available, actively maintained and updated since 2006. For Android ethical hacking, SQLMap runs inside Termux and targets the web-based API endpoints and back-end databases that Android apps communicate with during authorized assessments. Modern Android apps are essentially front ends. They pull data from, write data to, and authenticate against back-end web APIs. When those APIs have SQL injection vulnerabilities, SQLMap finds and demonstrates them automatically. It supports every major database management system: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, SQLite, and more. Detection is automatic. Once a vulnerable parameter is confirmed, SQLMap can extract the database structure, dump table contents, read files from the server, and, in some configurations, execute operating system commands. All relevant capabilities for demonstrating the real impact of an SQL injection finding during an authorized engagement. The tool handles WAF evasion, request throttling, custom HTTP headers, cookie-based authentication, and JSON and XML request bodies, covering the full range of how modern Android app APIs are structured. SQLMap.org, completely free and open source.
Tool number 9.
HTTP Toolkit. Search HTTP Toolkit Android on Google, and httptoolkit.com is the official website, a purpose-built HTTP and HTTPS interception tool with a dedicated Android client that makes mobile traffic analysis genuinely accessible. The Android setup is what differentiates HTTP Toolkit from manual Burp Suite proxy configuration. Install the HTTP Toolkit app on the Android device from the Google Play Store, connect it to the desktop application, and the certificate installation and proxy configuration happen automatically. No manual certificate authority installation, no manual proxy settings. One connection, everything configured. Once running, every HTTP and HTTPS request from every app on the device becomes visible and interceptable in the desktop dashboard, with request and response bodies, headers, timing, and the ability to modify and replay any captured request. For authorized Android app security testing, this removes the technical friction that makes mobile traffic analysis slower than it needs to be.
Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment.
Which of these 9 are you exploring first? See you in the next one.